Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for checking out this video. I've got some great information for you. Okay, and last week I didn't do much because I had so much going on in my life. I had some music I was doing and just all kinds of things. But it's good to be back, back on and sharing some amazing information with people. So look here for me. It says, for anyone who wants to start earning online, even if you've never tried before, okay? One link, 100% commissions. We pay you to learn how to use it. This is absolutely an incredible program, okay? Now look, the Earn As You Learn system that pays complete beginners real commissions for taking the training steps before they make a single sale. And so actually, I'm going to be sharing two powerful, low cost, potentially very profitable business opportunities with you. And the links will be in the description area of this video. Okay, so be sure to check them out today. Real exciting stuff for you. Okay, all right, but there you have it for this video. I'm Terry Brown, and I just want to wish you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye bye now.